We signed up Eric to RITE program because during this last school year he was having like a lot of difficulties with reading, and his clinical psychology recommend me RITE to help him with the skill and to help him to avoid the setback from the summer school vacation. So that was the main reason why this program is impacting Eric, because he feel motivated. He feel like he's doing better than before. He's reading better, so he can feel it that he's doing himself better. So he feel like very excited and motivated. Like every time I pick him up, he's like, "Mom, I'm doing better." So I'm happy that he can feel it too, that he's doing good. I think this program can help other children because it gives them confidence. The most important thing is that they feel motivated, that they feel like they're doing better, and then they want to come here and they want to keep learning. And I can afford it. So that's like really good for me because I know that Eric is going to be successful for next year.